And now, your first alert weather.
Pretty nice one today. We got temperatures into the 60s and 70s. Plenty of sunshine. It was actually really nice with the lighter winds. We had only just a couple of little thunderstorms showing up to play around areas around Island Park and Yellowstone today. We're going to keep this weather pattern rolling in through tomorrow with a few more clouds for Wednesday. Warmer temperatures, though, in play for the next few days. In fact, it's going to be warm all the way as we step all the way into Saturday. We're going to see increasing temperatures. Winds tomorrow at 10 to 20 with some isolated thunderstorms. Most of the thunderstorms tomorrow are going to be focused into central Idaho and then also areas near the Montana state line, almost exactly like we saw yesterday and today. On Viper, things are looking pretty dry locally. We had a couple thunderstorms, like I mentioned, moving through Island Park and Yellowstone, but nothing really significant showing up here for tonight as things are drying up for the moment. You saw some wet weather, though, out towards the west, and some showers will get into the neighborhood here for tomorrow, but the majority of those showers are going to steer to the north of us into North Idaho and Montana as we're going to start building in some high pressure from the south. Now, the engine driving this unsettled weather is this big upper level low, and it's going to sit and spin for a few days. It really doesn't make its move until Sunday, and that's when we see the big pattern shift for the weekend. But steadily increasing temperatures with that dome of high pressure beginning to form throughout the west. That's going to move the jet stream further to north and in turn again steering a lot of those showers to the north of us. We do expect to see just a few showers coming along the jet stream here for tomorrow and Thursday, but generally it's going to be a warm, dry forecast. In fact, it's going to be downright hot as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here's a look at the Vipercast tonight. Clouds are going to seep in as we get into your Wednesday, and there will be a few isolated thunderstorms coming along the Montana state line through the Snake Highlands and some scattered showers into central Idaho. For our viewers in Custer, Lemhi, and Butte counties, you have a decent chance of seeing a few thunderstorms in your neighborhood tomorrow throughout the midday and the afternoon, with most of those showers heading to Montana here for Wednesday afternoon, and a little bit of wet weather could get as far south as Jackson as we head about tomorrow afternoon through the evening. Thursday morning, some clouds out there, but gradual clearing with just a few isolated thunderstorms in the local mountains. Hot weather coming in from that ridge of high pressure to the south, and will definitely turn up the heat for Friday and Saturday. Saturday, the dome of heat will be at its peak, stretching all across southern Idaho and throughout the Intermountain West. The Four Corners region will be blazing hot this weekend, but then we start to pull in some cool, stormy conditions by Sunday. Big area of low pressure, like I mentioned, starting to move in, and that's going to change things up. Dropping in some showers Sunday and Monday. We're also going to drop in some cooler temps from the northwest. Tomorrow, temperatures a couple degrees warmer. Hitting a high of 79 in Preston, 73 for both Lava and Soda Springs tomorrow. We'll aim for 74 in Rexburg, 69 for Driggs, and 71 in Jackson with the mid-60s towards West Yellowstone. Highs in central Idaho getting into the upper 60s for Stanley, the mid-70s in Charles, and the lower 70s in Arco. And we're going to get those numbers around 80 degrees for Pocatello, American Falls. We'll be hanging down to those 70s for Idaho Falls, with lows tonight scaling back down to the 40s. We'll start with the Jackson 8-day forecast, and temperatures here peaking into the 80s for Friday and Saturday before the Sunday cold front rolls on through with the cool, windy conditions and those scattered showers. Salmon, a high of 74 as we roll into tomorrow, 81 for the expected high for Thursday, and the mid-80s to get us into the end of the week. Again, the weekend, it's looking pretty hot here to get us started for Friday and Saturday. But on the back half of the weekend for Sunday and Monday, we're starting to see dropping temperatures and quite a bit of wind. Cold front's coming through late Saturday, so we have the warm before the storm. Take a look at the Rexburg 8-day forecast with highs close to 90 Saturday afternoon, and then temperatures scale back down to the 70s for Sunday, the low 60s Monday. Pocatello, we're going to top it off in the low 80s for the next couple of afternoons, and then we're going to leap to the upper 80s, lower 90s for Friday and Saturday, with a high of 91 this Saturday afternoon in Pocatello. Showers will drop us back down with the cooler temps for the upper 70s and lower 80s for Sunday, and we're down to the 60s by Monday. And Idaho Falls, 90 degrees, the expected high for this Saturday. It's going to be a hot, toasty weekend, at least for Friday and Saturday. Then you get into Sunday and Monday, it's a different animal. We get the cold, stormy conditions rolling in from the Seattle area, and all that stuff from the Pacific Northwest starts to seep on in with those scattered showers and gusty winds.